Well, howdy, y'all. Well, check it out. We had a small snowstorm here in February in Washington, and the roof couldn't take it. I got a call from my HOA, and they're like, hey, neighbor said your roof collapsed, and yeah, I wasn't too surprised. So I had to come check it out. I took the winter off of working on this, and this is what we came to see. And pardon my drone flying skills here, but just wanted to show off the landscape that I live in here. It's pretty beautiful, and here we'll give a little shot of my lot. It extends a little bit to the right lower corner too that you couldn't see, and wanted to show off my giant maple tree. I love this thing. Obviously it's not that awesome looking right now, but when the leaves come out, oh, it's a beautiful thing to see. And then we'll come back down to my house here, and oh, she's a beauty. But you can see down there to the right, I've kind of piled up all the broken roof trusses there. They're just the 2x2s. And sadly, my recent purchase of my Harbor Freight portable garage doesn't have a very good snow load rating either, but luckily the tarp didn't get ripped, so it's just going to live there. And you can see what's left of the snow on the left. And we'll give one last shot of my beautiful dwelling as we bring her in for a landing. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Take care.